In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a layer to another file in Photoshop. By the end, you'll be able to move a single layer or an entire group from one project to another quickly and confidently. First, make sure both of your projects are open. The simplest way is to go to the File menu and choose Open, then select the documents you want to work with. Having both files open at the same time makes it easy to send content from one to the other without disrupting your workflow. Now look to the Layers panel, which you'll typically find in the bottom right of the workspace. This is where all your layers and groups live. Click to select the specific layer you want to copy. If you're moving multiple layers that are already organized together, you can select the group instead. Groups act like folders that hold several layers, and everything inside will move together. With your layer or group selected, right-click on it and choose Duplicate Layer. This opens a small dialog box with a few options. Focus on the Destination section. Next to Document, click the drop-down arrow and choose the file you want to send this layer to. You'll see a list of all open documents, so pick the one that should receive the layer. When you're ready, click OK, switch over to your second document, and you'll see the copied layer appear in the Layers panel and on the canvas. It comes across as a perfect duplicate of the original, including its position and layer settings, so you don't have to rebuild effects or blending modes. The original layer in your first file remains untouched, which makes this method safe and non-destructive. This same process works exactly the same for groups. If you duplicate a group as the source, every layer inside that group travels with it, preserving structure and order so you stay organized across projects. To recap, open both documents, select the layer or group you want, right-click and choose Duplicate Layer, set the destination document in the dialog, and confirm. Then check your second file to see the result. If the layer doesn't appear where you expect, make sure you selected the correct destination document in the dropdown and clicked OK. That's all there is to it. This approach is clean, precise, and great for keeping your original work intact while reusing assets across multiple files. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more Photoshop tips and tutorials. And I'll see you in the next one.